The old lighthouse keeper, Silas, squinted at the churning sea. For 50 years, he'd watched the waves crash against the rocks, a constant rhythm to his solitary life. Tonight, however, the rhythm was broken. Silas grabbed his binoculars, his heart quickening. A tiny sailboat, tossed about like a leaf, was struggling against the monstrous waves. A small figure, barely visible, clung to the mast. Silas knew he had to act fast. He raced down the winding stairs, his old bones protesting with every step. The lifeboat, usually secured firmly, was already half submerged, the ropes frayed and weakened by the relentless storm. He fought against the wind and the waves, his determination fueled by the desperate cries carried on the wind. Reaching the sailboat was a battle against the elements. The little girl, no older than 10, was shivering, her face pale and streaked with seawater. Silas pulled her into the lifeboat, wrapping her in his thick wool coat. Back on shore, in the warmth of the lighthouse, he gave her hot tea and dry clothes. She told him her name was Lily, and her family's boat had capsized. Silas, a man of few words, felt a warmth spread through him, a feeling he hadn't experienced in years. He contacted the Coast Guard, and Lily was soon reunited with her relieved parents. As Silas watched the rescue helicopter disappear into the stormy night, he felt a profound sense of peace. The storm raged on, but within the lighthouse, a different kind of calm had settled. A quiet joy born from a simple act of bravery and compassion. The next morning, the storm had passed. The sun rose, painting the sky in hues of gold and rose, a breathtaking spectacle that Silas, usually unmoved by such beauty, found himself appreciating deeply. He knew the sea was unpredictable, a force of nature that demanded respect, but he also knew that even in the face of such overwhelming power, human kindness could shine brightly, a beacon in the darkest storm.
Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. Like, share, and stay tuned for more fun stories and easy English learning.